Hello everybody, myself Dr. Shivkumar Biswarapur, Associate Professor, Research Guide, Department of Education, Karnataka State Akkamadi Women's University, Vijaypura. You can watch my YouTube channel related to education. More than 130 education video lessons are there. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Today we shall discuss about action research. What does it stands for? What is the meaning of action research? Action research is a practical approach to study school problems. Please don't forget, action research is a practical approach to study school problems. Second one, it is a method by which educational problems are scientifically studied by those involved in educational process to arrive at conclusions. Action research vitalizes and dignifies the work of the individual teacher. So keep in mind, it is a practical approach to study school problems. Then steps in action research. Action research is a process. It is a process through which the teacher finds solutions of his daily problems. The process has following steps. Number one, identification of the problem. Number two, defining and delimiting the problem. Number three, formulating action hypothesis. Number four, developing a suitable design. Number five, final decision about action hypothesis. Number six, collection of information. Number seven, testing of hypothesis. Number eight, arriving at conclusion. Number nine, reporting. Let us take number one, identification of the problem. John W. Best says that the whole school environment is full of problems. Many of them can be observed in the classroom, in the playground, and in the community. Any problem which is serious and specific to a particular school may be taken up. The problem for action research should be unique. The need for its solution should be felt by the teacher and principal. Definition and delimitation of the problem. By definition of a problem, we mean an exact statement of the nature of the problem. By delimitation of a problem, we mean restricting the problem to limited field. For example, the standard of achievement in English is low. This is a problem of every rural school. We can delimit this problem by wording it in such a manner that its scope is limited to rural schools of a particular state managed by a particular body. Next, formulation of action hypothesis. A hypothesis is something assumed as a basis of reasoning. It is an assumption indicating a possible way of solution of the problem. A hypothesis should be workable. It should be capable of verification. Unless a hypothesis is verifiable, it cannot be useful when tested. Next, come to the preparation of necessary design. Stephen M. Corre lays special emphasis upon the quality of design. He says that if the quality of definition, hypothesis, design, evidence, and generalization is high, the overall action research is good. Next, collection of information. In order to find out the truth of or validity of hypothesis, we have to collect data from a sample which should be representative as far as possible. The data should be objective and reliable. Next, testing of hypothesis. When an action research hypothesis is tested, the researcher make use of observation, interview, questionnaire, and statistical methods. The testing has to be objective, valid, and reliable. So, whatever the tool you are using for testing, it should be objective, valid, and reliable. Arriving at conclusions. Once the conclusions arrived at are tested adequately, they may be used in improving educational process. Reporting. After arriving conclusions, the specific conclusions should be reported systematically. Next, the problems solved by action research. Which are the problems to be solved by action research? Those who are interest of conducting action research, please keep in mind the following problems. Of course, there are other problems, but these are very important. Number one, problems connected with school discipline. Number two, problems connected with development of curriculum and its organization. Number three, problems connected with teaching methods. Number four, problems connected with supervision and school administration. Number five, problems connected with evaluation and testing. Number six, problems connected with evaluation and testing. Number seven, I think five and six are both are same. It's okay. Number seven, problems connected with behavior disorder of students. Example: stealing, lying, bullying, running away from home, and truancy. Means running away from home. It is a spelling mistake. Running away from home and truancy. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.